The receiver consists of a solar cell inside of a closed box, and the solar cell is plugged into an audio amplifier, either a guitar or a microphone input works nicely. Here's all the parts I gathered to make the receiver. The box is just a shipping box, 6 inches by 6 inches by 6 inches. You could probably use a slightly smaller one, depending on the size of your solar cell panel. These I got from the plumbing department in a hardware store, and they all connect together, making one long unit if you need that. And these parts I got from the electrical department. Now the metal parts, which is at the bottom left and upper right, or together, they all screw together, and they happen to fit the plumbing, those small 3 pipes that I bought. And that flat round piece was also in the electrical department, and it had a punch out which that metal part at the bottom left fit through very nicely. These 2 parts, the monaural phono plug and the solar cell panel, I bought at Radio Shack. Here I have placed the round plate on the box and positioned it where I want it, and I took a pencil and marked the center so I know where to cut out the box, and I took a awl and pushed through the other 4 holes, and this is what it looked like. And of course then I cut out the center, and then I mounted the round plaque on the box, and that's what it looks like on the inside. This is how I assembled the electrical and plumbing parts. One of the small tubes is on the inside and one is on the outside, and I still have one left over that I can put on the outside tube if I should need to. The next thing I did was pull the shielded cable through, and then I soldered the leads that go to the solar cell panel, and of course insulated them and taped them up. And here I am applying contact cement to some bubble wrap that's a little bit bigger than the solar cell, and I put some contact cement on the solar cell and put them together and put a weight on it, not too much weight. Simpson 260 meter seemed to work quite well. Then the next step was I put some contact cement on the other side of the bubble wrap and put that into the box. And you can see that I also added a tie wrap, and that's to help keep from pulling out the wire. Notice the position of the solar cell panel. It is not dead center, and that's because there aren't any solar cells dead center on this panel. So either side will work nicely. The next step is to close the box, and it's ready for use. And here's a demo of how it functions. And I'm using a guitar amplifier.
Do you want to learn how to steal customer credit card information from major retailers so you can buy anything you want?
Well, we can't help you with that. But among the many IT problems we solve, Barracuda's award-winning firewalls prevent hackers from taking your valuable data to the bank. Reclaim your network like 150,000 other businesses have. To learn more about protecting customer data and your reputation, visit barracuda.com/firewalls.
The more you learn about your insurance coverage, the more gaps you might find. Like how you thought you were covered for this.
Honey, someone stole my wedding ring.
When you really...
Thanks for watching.